x-axis.
From the x-axis or the y-axis?
On the x-axis at 3.
Okay, fine. So 0, 3, 0, 3.
And
Am I right?
yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
1, 2. 1, rise and run is
And
2. Correct?
yeah.
And 2, 1.
2.
Am I right here?
Yes.
Yes. So this 3, 0 and 0, 3 are lying on the x and y axis respectively. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So these points are known as intercept points. Am I right?
Yes. Okay.
So these points are known as intercept points. That means this point is crossing on the line of the x-axis and y-axis. So
Yeah.
y-intercept will have the x as 0.
Yes.
X will be 0 and x-intercept y will be 0. Fine?
Yeah.
Always. Okay. If I'm having a num value a is x comma y, somewhere on your graph, I plotted a x comma y. So rise and run, we know that well, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, I have. So these are called Cartesian coordinates. The x and y are the Cartesian coordinates.
X and
Correct?
okay. Yeah.
X and y are the Cartesian coordinates. Okay, fine. So
Okay.
whereas 0, O is the origin, 0, 0 always.
Yes.
Fine.
Yeah.
How we will find out the midpoint of the line segment? Normally, midpoint of the line segment, how we will find?
It's the mid, like half divided by 2.
Yes, of course. We know that it's a center point. Midpoint
Yes.
is always the center point of the line, correct?
Yeah.
So if midpoint is described as M, okay, and
Yeah.
the line is joining with the points of X is X1, Y1 and B is X2, Y2.
2.
So how
Okay.
you will find out your midpoint?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, the midpoint will be find out by the x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2.
Okay.
Fine. So
Yeah.
this is the midpoint formula. So if the midpoint is M, that lining join in the points of x1, y1 and x2, y2, then its coordinates are given by M is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. Fine. We will see one
Yeah.
example.
Yes. Okay.
So my A is 2, 2. My B is 5, 8. So approximately 2, 2, you will plot it here, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. And 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere here, correct?
Yeah. Okay.
And we can join this line also, correct?
Yes.
And A and B. What is the
Okay.
midpoint of the A and B? We know well.
It will be 2 plus 5
Yes, of
divided
course.
by 2
Mm.
and 2 plus 8 divided by 2.
Mm.
So it will be
Mm.
it will be 3.5 and 5.
Am I right?
Yes.
So it will be midpoint of the given coordinates is 3.5, 5. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. The midpoint we calculated.